Okay, everybody. So really briefly, my apologies about Weebly. I just sent an email outlining ever since they got recently purchased by Square, which is a credit card company. There have been some changes, and I was unaware of those changes. So um, please want you guys to use this website instead. This is Wix, Wix.com. Wix.com. You can see it up here in the browser, and that will get you a great website. So I have created I have not created an account, so I'll walk that entire process. So you got this big blue button. We'll click Get Started. All right, I have created a email account, Joe Student 2020 stinks at gmail.com. You'll probably, like we talked about, want to use a school email, something that you can get access to it to confirm that you have a actual email, because they'll send some kind of an email making sure that you can actually see it. I'm going to type in a password. All right, and then I'll go ahead and hit sign up. That's how it used to be for Weebly. Super simple, super easy. Now it is not. So, all right. So we want your Wix experience. Let's do it. So it'll do an onboarding thing. We'll do, this is a website for myself. Have you created a website before? You can answer that honestly. In my mind, I'm just going to say this is my first time. We want a portfolio. And we'll say this is I'm just going to say portfolio and hit next. Cool. We do not want this. This is where they try to create it for you. So we're going to go over here, and of course they charge you for that. So we're just going to hit choose a template. Excellent. We're going to try to choose a very clean and simple template to get us started. I'm going to use this one, photographer and art director. I think that one looks quite nice. If you prefer one like this or one like this with the navigation on the, I guess you can't even see it, the navigation over here is on the left. This is also a good one. I'm going to go with photographer and art director, and I will hit edit. And it will bring up your window. Takes a while to load. Wow, this is a really obnoxious website. All right, cool. So you can watch this video if you like, or you can watch me. I'm going to go ahead and just close that. And here we go. Boy, there's a lot of stuff on this page. I'm going to try to get rid of most of this. I'm going to go to where it says menus and pages. And there's all of these pages that pop up here on the left-hand side. One of the reasons I liked using Weebly was because it was very straightforward. I think is the best way to describe it, where Wix has a lot of other stuff going on. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of most of this. I'm going to click on these little three arrows, and I'm going to hit delete, and I will confirm the deletion. And I'm going to delete clients. I'm going to go ahead and delete about. Guess you could leave some of these if you really wanted to. So now I just have the home page, which looks pretty much like a gallery. I'm going to have to check on that and confirm that that's actually what it is. In fact, I'll do that right now before I edit. Just want to make sure it's a gallery page before I go too far along. Okay, good. All right, so let's go back here. So this page is good in that it's a gallery page. It has a lot going on, and we'll tweak that all later. I'm going to click on the Start Blogging page, and I'm going to hit Add Now. This is how we have to add our blog. Okay, cool. So good. So it's adding a Wix blog. We just want a blog. We do not want a members area. Good. So now we have a home page and a blog. All right. Beautiful. At this point, we want to change one or two things. We're going to go back to the main page. What just happened? Oh, okay, site menu. Okay, I was getting very sad here. Okay, there's the site menu at the top, and here are, we have home and we have blog. We're going to go back to the home page, and we can go in here and make a few changes. So let's say we want to change this information here. We click on the box, we hit edit text. That kind of makes sense. So this is Joe, student, port, you can call it digital art portfolio. Or something like that. Doesn't matter to me. I wouldn't try to make it probably too big, although that's kind of cool. Yeah. And if you would like to, you can move it up. It does have some pretty good alignment tools in here. Okay. And I'm going to move that guy. Can I move this up? I should be able to move that up. Okay. Well, we're just going to keep the background as it is for now. We will tweak some of that stuff later. Okay, so we've got this basically set up. We have a blog page, and we have a home page that is a very obnoxious gallery. It's okay if you want to go ahead and get rid of some of this. Here's how you do it. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click Manage Media. And so when you have all of these little guys here, you can basically go through and just select. If you hold down your Shift key, you can select multiple images. These are actually quite fun. I'm going to leave one image just so I have something there. I think that, oh no, there's more. It keeps going. Obviously, you will want to delete all of this eventually. I'm going to get anything that's animated off my screen, and then I'll hit delete. So yeah, that's the only problem about using templates is you have to have all this stuff. Okay, and I'm going to hit done. Looks like it deleted all of them. Okay, I swear I saved some, but that's fine. So we have a nice clean page here. Our blog, if you want to, we can go ahead and clean that up. To do the blog, it's a little different. In Wix, you have to go to My Blog area and manage posts, which will bring up another page editor. If you don't feel like doing this today, you don't have to. It's all good. All right, and so these are some sample blogs. I'm just going to select all these guys, and I'm going to move to trash. Move to trash. Good. So now we have our blog that has 0 published posts. I like to think of this as a blank canvas that we can work on. I might change, if you have an icon up here, if you want to change something, you could change it. Like in this case, I'll change it to JS for Joe Student, or maybe I'll just do J. Looks a little bit nicer. Okay, sweet. Once you're done kind of cleaning things all up, all you have to do is hit the word publish. Couple of notes about publishing. So here is the really long website. This is the link that you're going to copy and paste into your thing. You can actually go view it if you like. I'm just going to copy it here by selecting it. I'll go up here to edit copy, or you can use the shortcut key. And then I will take that to my Schoology submission page. Oh, yeah, we're not going to worry about this right now. And if I were going to be in your class, I could now come in here and I could click on my digital art website link. And I see that some folks have already done so, which is great. Since I'm not a student, I don't have the ability to submit anything, but if I were, I could now copy and paste that link that I just copied into there. So that is the way to create your website with Wix. And if you have any questions or problems along the way, don't hesitate to send me a message or to ask, and I will do my best to take care of it. Oh, I will say one other thing to be conscious of is because I used an email, I will get a Wix little guy like this that will say confirm your email and get started. You will want to click on that and confirm your email. And that way everybody is, they know that you get emails and that you're a legitimate person. So my apologies about the confusion with Wix, excuse me. My apologies about the confusion with Weebly this morning. I was unaware that the onboarding had changed with their new bosses. So, but hopefully Wix will work out well. It's a little bit more complicated, but we should be able to get a handle on it as time goes on. All right. Have a great day.